This 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by C.D.J.R on-wire four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 L 220 engine, and has 1 miles as Honda range. Explore new horizons in a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Style, power, adventure await. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.